how to run Claude Code in VS Code terminal. So if you have Claude Code installed and you've been running it in a separate terminal window, you can run it directly inside VS Code and you don't have to switch between terminal or VS Code. So firstly, make sure the Claude is running in your terminal. I got the tutorial for that. I'm gonna keep the installation video link in the description. So make sure the Claude is running correctly in your terminal. Type here Claude. And as you can see, I can use it. So I'm gonna type here /exit. And I'm gonna close the terminal and open the VS Code. In VS Code, we want to open the terminal. I like to type in chat, open terminal. Now click this show in command palette. It's gonna type it here and press enter. And it's gonna toggle the terminal in your VS Code. And all you need to do is to just type here Claude. And it's gonna run the Claude in your VS Code. So you don't have to open terminal separately. And that's really the whole thing. The reason it's useful is that you have your code and Claude in the same window at the same time. You can see your files on one side and talk to Claude in the terminal below here. And when Claude makes changes to your files, you see them instantly in the editor. Everything works the same as in the regular terminal. You type here your request, Claude reads your project and makes changes directly to your files with your confirmation. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to check that installation terminal Claude video in the video description and make sure to subscribe and see you next time.